on today's episode, we're just going to cover everything that can possibly go wrong with the CRV. So I think I had previously mentioned I was having some weird overheating stuff, trying to figure it out. When I opened the hood, everything seems perfectly fine, no leaks, the fans were running. However, for once in a million years, it actually misbehaved when I showed it to my mechanic friends at their shop. And the fan was running and cut off, and we couldn't get it to turn back on. So I just bought another radiator fan and we're gonna replace it. Yay! You won't always see me wear gloves, but I just drove this to and from the shop and to and from the parts store, so it's actually hot to touch. Safety first. See if I can get the fan out without having to disconnect the upper radiator hose. I really don't want to do the coolant change. I sprayed coolant everywhere. So what's happening is I literally cannot get the fan out with the upper radiator hose intact. So I don't have a nice little, drain plug that can freely pour coolant out of my radiator. So I'm just gonna take the hose off because I'm gonna make a mess either way. Stupid little radiator support cups under the radiator, which I guess protects it, but it doesn't allow you to actually drain it properly. I need a new radiator too. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it. There is a crack right at the bottom. Besides the fact that this is literally deteriorated right at the bottom. Why? Why me? Well, happy birthday to me. I bought myself a radiator fan and a radiator. Functional birthday presents. Kind of sucks that I'm in the sun. Nice new radiator and fan. So now I gotta finish getting everything out and then Put everything in. I don't know. I'm already tired. It's like 9 a.m. and like 90 degrees outside. In case you're not from Florida, don't come here. It's hot. As I said the other day, hot as Hades.
This is not what I want to do. All weekend. What?
I was supposed to go to a scuba diving seminar at like 11. It's like 10. I just got the radiator out. I don't think this will go happen. But I'm making like a crazy mess. There's this like ceiling everywhere. I got most of it in there, but yeah, there's this weird like portion of the frame that just blocks everything. So I'm gonna need to take it to the car wash. I got your super gas. Super is more than premium. It's like regular, okay, premium. My battery is only at like 23%, so I don't know how much of this you guys are gonna be able to see. Got radiator, new radiator with the new radiator fan and the old condenser fan on. About to install it in the pretty lady. I actually had an interesting experience when I went to Advanced Auto. I had somebody ask if they could take pictures of my car to show their girlfriend. She probably drives a CRV. I'm trying to convince her to do cool car things with them. Hi, my name's Rachel and I'm stupid and forget to record like the end results of videos apparently. I think it was because my camera actually did die. As I said, it was at like 20-something% when I was recording some of the last bits of it. I think it did wind up dying and I had to put it on the charger, which is probably why I forgot. I don't know. But problem was solved. So All my car needed was a radiator and radiator fan. So simple, not so cheap. As I mentioned, I got a birthday present for myself. It was because my birthday was last Wednesday, so happy birthday to me. I'm old. Not very exciting. In the meantime, from recording this video and now, I almost drowned my car in my neighborhood that flash floods. It was probably water that I would have told everyone else not to drive through, but I drove through anyways because I didn't have a choice. I was already like half in it by the time I was up to the gate, and then I couldn't turn around because I was at a gate. And it actually triggered my O2 sensor to throw a code, which I just replaced, and I was like, please don't short out my O2 sensor and make me replace this again. It didn't. My check engine light actually went off today. That's a rare occurrence. Also, for birthday, I got nails, and I can't even begin to describe to you how difficult this is. I can't even like grab things with this. I don't think these are gonna last very long. Like, probably not the rest of this week. I don't even know. I just feel like I have to talk with my hands now that I have my hand. Don't mind my weirdness. But yeah, so at least the overheating problem has been fixed. The car is running and driving. Meh. I mean, it's old, like me. It's not even as old as me. Dang it. I'm old. But, yeah, so stay tuned to see what kind of shenanigans we get in next time. What could possibly go wrong? Don't ever ask that question. But if you do ask that question, be sure to like, subscribe, and, you know, send in comments. Maybe we can help you out with something. Let me know. In the comments. Down below. Thank you.